Hey guys, so today we're in zone 4 and that's the master suite, but today we're gonna take it up a notch. Not only am I gonna clean it, but I'm also gonna add some little touches that are just gonna make it a little more relaxing. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and let's jump to it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Terry and my goal is to be a better wife and mother, keep my sanity and get things done. Join me. I usually cover videos on cleaning and planning, especially digital planning, and then all of the other things are just sprinkled in. But to clean a mattress, what you're supposed to do is take your bedding off, and while it's washing, you're gonna let it air out a little bit, and then you're also gonna sprinkle baking powder on the bedding, and then you just vacuum it all up really good. But pay close attention to the seams and also the corners. So I recommend doing this once a quarter or once a month if you have pets. A messy bed isn't relaxing. You know what I mean. The sheets are all wrinkled. They're not fresh and clean and crisp. They don't smell fresh. The pillows, if I don't have a couple of pillows that I just love to snuggle into, it just doesn't relax me. And so I hate the feeling of an unmade bed, because when I go to bed, I want everything to be smooth and fresh feeling when I slide in. So guys, if you are finding any value at all, I would really appreciate it if you could just give me a thumbs up down below. It helps me so much. Okay, so what I've got on my bed is I've got sheets from Costco. They run about $80, and I have to say that these sheets actually are very comfortable, so I like those. I got new pillows back in the back that I'll show you as I make the bed. I got those from Amazon. They are like a hotel collection, king size pillow. 2 pillows for like, I think they were $50 or $60. I will also link that in the description. So those Costco sheets, I'm telling you, those are pretty awesome. The curtains that I got were from Big Lots. Great value because it was 2 panels for $20. So there are no rules. It's your house. Do what you love and what you think makes it look good. So don't feel like you've got to do the Pinterest house. So the one good thing about FlyLady is that she really stresses that getting a little bit done still blesses your home. So if you have physical ailments, if you have physical ailments that cause you to only be able to do a few things a day, if you absolutely can't get down on your hands and knees to scrub the floor, if there's just some things that you cannot do, it's okay. Do to the best that you can. So yeah, here's that fabulous chair. By the way, the chair, I know you all want an avocado green rocking chair in your bedroom. You cannot have it. This was grandmama's. One thing that I can tell you that's honestly true is that if you have a really cluttered space, it always gives anxiety. When we walk into a space that's got a lot of things going on, especially in a disorganized way, our blood pressure goes up, we have a panic reaction, and our brain just naturally starts to figure out all the things that need to get done to make it feel better. So I like to have a little task lighting on each side of the bed. That way, if we're reading a book or whatever, it is there, and it also gives a great ambient lighting. So I have a light like this on either side of the bed, and that just helps give us the more relaxing feeling when we're in the room. Then I also like to have candles. All right, so we've done a pretty good job. I have gone through the FlyLady checklist, and the only thing that's left was clean under the bed and clean out a desk. I don't have a desk in my bedroom, and I don't have any way to clean under my bed because this bed has like the storage drawers and things. It's one of those, I don't know what they're called. Captain's beds? I don't know. But anyways, so there's drawers. And so I cannot move the bed. It is like H-E-double-L-A heavy. And yeah, so we're gonna do everything else, but that's got me all checked off for the master bedroom. So good job. 2 days and the master bedroom is done. So when it comes to the bed, I usually save this task for my weekly home blessing. I do those things on Mondays. Every Monday, I take the sheets off the bed. I don't even make the bed. I just strip the sheets and I throw them in the washing machine. And that's my load of laundry for Monday. So when it gets to zone 4 week, then I've already got the laundry started with my sheets. So all I have to do is go ahead and do the baking powder or flip the mattress or whatever task that I'm working on for that week on my bed, because it's a rotating set of tasks that I do. I also will go ahead and try and wash out my pillows and get them really good and dry. So if you are brand new to FlyLady, you've never really understood what it's all about, or you're overwhelmed because you're trying to do too many things and you're getting lost, I have a video here that really talks about daily routines. And I think that the daily routines is like the first thing you've got to get set. And I did the daily routines for probably like a month before I even started with my zone cleaning, because I wanted to make sure that I was in a good solid routine and I wasn't trying to overwhelm myself with everything at once. So I think that that's really the best way. When I did this years ago, I tried to do all of it from day 1. And by like day 7, I was exhausted and frustrated and overwhelmed and I just quit. So if you want to really do FlyLady, check out this video. I think that it does a good job of cutting through all of the fluff and just telling you exactly what each thing is, because she has her own lingo and we get lost. And if you go to her website, you can get lost for days. We're gonna jump into the bathroom, and we did that huge zone 3 cleaning last week, so you kind of already know what I'm gonna be doing in the bathroom. But I have a walk-in shower in here that's really kind of funky. So we're gonna tackle a walk-in shower, and we're gonna just add some touches to the bath to make it feel a lot more spa-like, a lot more relaxing, because that is my goal, is to go through each room of my house and declutter and give it something that just really brings out a peaceful, homey feeling. And I hope that you're on board with me. So let's get cleaning. This is really you taking back control over your life and your home and empowering yourself that you are good enough, and that, I don't know, maybe I'm just preaching to me because I struggle with feeling like I'm not good enough all of the time. I struggle with thinking that I'm not smart enough, pretty enough, clean enough, I can't cook well enough. You know, I struggle with all of those things, but every single day I still fight that battle. And I know that you guys are probably in the same boat, where you wake up some days and you think, why am I even trying so hard? But don't give up. Don't let that evil spirit get into your mind. Take a stand and just stomp your foot and be like, not today, Satan. I am going to get up and I'm going to do 15 minutes of decluttering my master bedroom. I am going to do 15 minutes of cleaning my master bathroom. I am gonna add something that wasn't there yesterday that makes me happy for my home.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something.
Hey guys, I am so excited. I just finished my closet clean out, declutter, and organization, and I'm gonna give you a peek. Here we go.
There's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
This side. Oh, and don't forget, look up high. Oh, it looks so pretty. FlyLady really does encourage us to just make a commitment to do the best that we can. She does not blow you up for not getting it all done. She doesn't guilt trip you. She includes self-care. She includes, you know, spiritual time. She really does want the full picture, the whole picture of you and your life. So good job, guys. I know that it's been a lot of hopping around today, and I know that we talked about everything except for cleaning sometimes, but you know what we're doing. When I've got this video playing, I want you to have something in your hand and I want you to be moving, because the most important thing is to really get moving, get going. Don't sit here and just binge watch, although if you binge watch, thank you so much, I really appreciate it. But the goal is for you to pick up your cloth and just listen to me while you're cleaning your own space. It takes effort, but it really does pay off so well, and I think that you're gonna love the way that your house is coming together. And you should start to feel like it's pretty nice.